Hey there, this video's real intention is to give people an idea how to record from YouTube. So I'm just doing that using Safari and iShowU 1.34 beta, which is ways you might see a couple of things that are different on the screen. Anyway, I hope it's useful to you and certainly shows how it can be done. Right, let's begin by creating a new preset. I shall zoom in on the iShowU window so that you can more clearly see what I'm doing. Okay, so we'll begin. We create something called YouTube demo down there. Now we're going to be capturing both. Actually, we don't want any microphone audio, but we do want system audio from Safari, and we probably want to put that in high quality and turn the volume right up. We'll want 25 frames per second. Yeah, that's fine because we want it's video. We want it to be smooth and high quality, but 264 no, that's probably going to be I doubt we'll be able to manage 30 frames a second encoding in real time using 264, so let's use something that's a little more manageable. I'm going to come up with something, and I was going to try and choose Apple Animation. I'll have to zoom out to do so. It's right just above the recording area here. So I've chosen Apple Animation. Now the mouse may actually get in the way, so we're not going to record the mouse at all. And we don't want to follow the cursor, since that will be quite distracting. We want it to be centered over the video. Okay, so let's find a video. I've just gone to YouTube. I shall hopefully pick something random, whatever this is. Okay, now obviously it's fairly subjective as to how much of the capture area we want. Let's change that now. So we're going to go just for that. Actually, we'll include the title and include the controller as well. There's these controls down the bottom. Okay. And it doesn't really matter about the capture guide. We don't want slow capture rate on because the mouse isn't moving. We do not want to capture at 2 frames a second, so we just want a straight 25. So I'll begin recording. It's going. We go to the beginning of the track and simply hit play. This is a pretty scary movie I just chose there. Right, finish that. Okay, and there we have it in QuickTime. Now one thing you may want to do if you've got QuickTime Pro is you'll see I'm dragging the slider here, and there's a bit of a pause where I haven't actually started it, because you'll notice the mouse isn't actually in the video, which is nice. So we can move this here until we see some movement, come back a little bit, and we'll cut this section out. So I'm going to press Apple X, which is a cut. It's gone. So now when we play the movie, done. Okay, the final thing to do now is convert that into something considerably smaller for sending via email. So I press Apple E to export the movie, and I'm going to call that, put it on my desktop view, YouTube, call it how to YouTube.mov. And I choose options. By the way, you need QuickTime Pro to do this, assuming you have it. And change the settings, and we'll have H.264. Let's keep the 25 frames a second that we chose earlier, and so to do that we can just actually say current. Frame reordering automatic data rate. It's fine, and we're really more concerned about showing someone what to do rather than the quality, so I'm going to change that down to medium, maybe just a little bit underneath. And I want best quality. It's fine. Go. Size wise, let me bring this dialog over into the recording area. We can choose current so that it doesn't change the size. I'll click OK there. And just looking at the summary information, that all looks good. The sound is fine. That's AAC, that's going to be compressed. And prepare for internet streaming, that's good as well. Let's click OK and we press save. Okay, now with the movie completed and the export completed, let's have a look at just how big that is. And of course I decide to hit the wrong button. Let me fix that. Okay, so now we've ended up with a movie that's come down to 1.4 megabytes in size, which is completely emailable, which is great. So, assuming that you're doing the normal Mac OS X thing, you just drag this thing into Mail, and voila, you're ready to go. Voila.